Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really convenient traveling case. I do a lot of traveling. This thing is fantastic because it's got everything that you're going to need as far as storage is concerned, and it's a decent size. Not overly large, but it is definitely a big bag. This does have lots of little hooks, D-rings on this, lots of areas that you can clip things if you're going to clip little flashlights and whatever on here. But this is a traveling bag. It does have a nice handle on here that can easily unclip and clip onto other luggage, which I like, and it has a large capacity. I want to kind of show you the size of this here. Open this up here. So whenever you're traveling, look at that, you've got your toiletry. Well, obviously you're probably not going to be taking your toilet paper along with you, but look at that space. You got enough to put, these are jumbo rolls, by the way. These are jumbo like Charmin rolls. You got room for probably even a third Charmin roll in there, and maybe some deodorant you can take along with you on your travels. Deep pockets, got nice side pockets on here, mesh pockets. You're going to put cologne, different things like that down in there. Maybe put a little Twix bar down in there so that way you can store that as well. Got several waterproof areas, which again, if you're traveling, you're going to have a lot of areas here. This is a nice waterproof bag up here. So you're going to put your, wet swimsuit or something up in there. But I don't know why you'd want to, because on the bottom of this, this is one of my favorite features. It's actually got a zipper design that goes all the way around the outside edge of the bottom of this. Completely opens up, flat bottom. This is as soft as a baby's buns in here. This is extremely soft, completely waterproof, easily wipeable, washable on top and bottom. When you're done traveling, you got a wet swimsuit, wet face cloth, wet anything else, put it in there, seal that thing up, and again, it's going to keep everything on the top part nice and dry. Zippers work well, nice flat bottom, and it wouldn't be a travel bag without having a hanger. This you can hang on a door frame, hang on a shower, and it's a full 360 swivel, guys. So this guy here will hang, easily allow you access to all that, and there's so much more. You got pockets up here, you got pockets on the side. You got pockets over here. You got areas for toothbrushes, combs, razors, toothpaste, whatever you want to have zip up over there. You got even bigger rooms over here, and they give you alternate suggestions here, larger packets. Maybe put some face lotion in there. So lots of really cool travel bag ideas. Everything compacts down nicely in a nice small bag, easily fit in your suitcase. Thank you guys again for sending it.